Hello everybody, I'm doing a first recording of a project with Workflow.link. It's in beta testing by Yuri Shortkey. He first started the app called In Short, and now he started Workflow.link to allow for collaboration work. And I'm working on the first project with him, which I called Grasp, because Grasp is an idea generator project, and I'm just I'm starting it. I'm very new to workflow, so he's helping me, but I wanted to create a series of videos so you can see the sequence of progress that I'm going to have. So let's see what I created. I created a folder, and here's a little drill down where when you create that, you can click on it and you go on the inside of the project. It's called a drill down. And as you can see, when I get into the project I'm in, I did a little homework and I organized my notes, and the first thing you start with is the bottom right, which is your overall goal. What are you trying to do? So I created this first box down here, and my goal is to organize into Workflow.link the four-step process known as GRASP, which aims through its four-step system to create solutions to overcome any problem or challenge. So that's the idea about GRASP, is if you have any any problem or challenge, this system, by following these four steps, which is step 1, define the problem or challenge, step 2, generate ideas, step 3, evaluate, and step 4, the solution. By following these four steps, you'll be able to overcome any problem or challenge. Okay, so this eliminates problems of creativity, writer's block, all those things that people complain about. This is a scientific process created by Chris Griffiths, and I read his book, and I just took the notes and organized this. And I wanted to use Workflow.link to be able to organize the whole book and four steps. So what I did is I created the four boxes here, and then when I started my first step, Yuri helped me to organize all the material that was in step 1. Okay, which are these guidelines. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the inside of this box. I'm going to drill down here, and I'm going to show you how Yuri helped and organized this for me. So I click this here. Let it just get some time it takes to open. And then when it opens, you see step 1 from the previous screen, define problem or challenge. So, from the previous screen, we had define the problem and challenge with these 6 questions, which is what are the facts and what are we trying to achieve? Why has the problem occurred? Why do I want to achieve that particular? So these are all questions you ask yourself to define the problem or challenge. Okay. Now what Yuri did is he organized each question in this vertical column. He created the vertical column area, so we know what this section is about. It's what, okay, and I have, so we ask what are the facts and what are you trying to achieve. So, and then this is the philosophy and some notes about what it is. And then part 2 is why, why has the problem occurred? Where can you resolve the problem? Okay, who, when, and how. So these are all questions you would ask yourself to define the problem and challenge, with the ultimate aim at clearly defining what the problem or challenge is. Because the philosophy behind GRASP is if you don't clearly define what the problem or challenge is, you cannot devise a strategy to tackle the problem or challenge because you haven't clearly defined what it is. Okay, so this would be considered step 1. And look how Yuri in his program Workflow.link clearly organized each section. Okay, so we have an overview of the question with the notes and philosophy with it, okay, of what it is. So anybody who is first starting to read this book, Grasp the Solution and its 4 steps, will more quickly understand how everything works rather than reading the whole book, which is a long book. Okay, that's the idea of Workflow.link. It will take more complex material and organize it in a more simple way, which is what I'm attempting to do. So that's my first step here. What I'm going to do next in my next video is I'm going to be going into, let me go back into the 4 steps. I'm going to be going into step 2, and I'm going to be attempting to do what Yuri did in step 1, which is to organize step 2, which is to generate ideas correctly. Brainstorming strategies, which are six brainstorming strategies techniques. I'm going to organize them similar to the way Yuri organized my 6 guideline questions here. So that's it for this first video. I'll be creating a second one, and I'll be posting it in my YouTube channel or in the forum that Yuri has, so everybody can see if the video fits up there. If not, it'll be in YouTube. So enjoy the ongoing videos and learning how Workflow.link works. Thank you.